Okay, at n equal to -1, the equation will become y of -1 is equal to sigma k equal to minus infinity to infinity x of k into h of -1 minus k. That is, it is equal to sigma k equal to minus infinity to infinity x of k into h of minus k minus 1. Simply I have interchanged h of minus k minus 1. That's all. Now to find this equation, the two parameters or the two graphs that you need is one is x of k and another one is h of minus k minus 1. Isn't it? One graph that you need is x of k, second one that you need is h of minus k minus 1. So from where will you draw h of minus k minus 1? Can anybody tell? From where will you draw h of minus k minus 1?
Sir, is it from the graph of h of minus k?
Yes, very good. So you need to draw the graph from h of minus k. Already you have plotted from figure 2. So from figure 2, you will shift this towards left, isn't it? H of minus k minus 1 is nothing but shifting towards left. Don't make mistake. Shifting towards left by 1 unit. And redraw the graph and mark it as figure number 3. So from figure 2, you will be drawing h of minus k minus 1 by shifting the graph towards left. So that it will start from -4. I think you will get like this. Am I correct? Somebody can help me. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be figure number 3. And for observing the two figures easily, you can plot x of k again. You can copy x of k again from figure number 1. X of k is already plotted in figure 1, number 1. You can replot that again because you need to observe the two graphs parallelly. So this was your x of k, figure number 1 and figure number 3. Now you observe this equation. What is the meaning of this equation? What is the meaning of the equation? You are going to multiply the two graphs and then taking the sum of the entire terms, isn't it? So time wise you have to multiply. So you will start from -4. You have 1 in this graph, isn't it? At -4 you are having 1 over here, but do you find any values over here? No, that is, it is 0, isn't it? So at -4 you are having 0 here. At the same time you are having 1 over here. So it will be 1 into 0 plus. Why you are putting plus? Because you need to sum from -infinity to infinity, means the left extreme till the right extreme. So after -4 you will go for -3. At -3 you are having -1. Here you are having 0. So -1 into 0 plus the next value -2. You are having 2. Here it is again 0. So 2 into 0 plus in -1 you are having 3. Here you are having 0. So 3 into 0 plus at time t equal to 0 you are having 1. So 1 into 1. Isn't it? 1 into 1 plus at 1. Do you have any value over here? No. At 1 you don't have any value, so it is 0. So 0 into 1 plus at 2 you are having 0 into 1. So when you sum this, you can see that the only time where the two signal is having value is 0, isn't it? At time t equal to 0 is the only time where the two signals is having some values. So when you multiply these two, the only possibility is that you will be having some signals at 0 time, whereas in all other times the answer will be 0, because one or the other it is becoming 0. So 0 into anything will become 0 only. So only at n equal to 0 you are having 1 and 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So rest of the terms it will become 0. So the answer is 1. Is this particular method is clear for you? That is multiplying and summing. You'll be starting from left extreme, multiply the corresponding amplitudes, then you add. Till the right extreme you need to add. The right extreme is nothing but 2 over here. Left extreme is -4. In figure 1, figure 3 you are having -4 as a left extreme. In figure 1 you are having 2 as a right extreme. So you need to multiply the values from -4 till 2 and then you need to add. Okay, so the summation value is 1 over here. So answer is 1. Now, after plotting, so we'll have this output at n equal to 1 as of now. Now you will be doing at n equal to 0. Because you are there to find output from -1 to 5, isn't it? There are 7 samples in the output as I shown earlier. -1 to 5. So already we had the output at -1. Now increment the output. After -1, what is the next output? 0th time, isn't it? So we are there to find the output at n equal to 0. So again write the main equation. Y of n is equal to sigma k equal to -∞ to infinity x of k into h of minus k, and you are plotting y of 0 by putting n equal to 0. The equation will become sigma k equal to -∞ to infinity x of k into h of minus k. Now, which two figures we need to take? Tell me the figure numbers. Which two figures you will take?
One and two.
Yes, already we have figure number 2 as h of minus k, so no need to find that plot again. So just copy that figure number 1 and figure number 2 again, and then multiply and add. While doing the examination, don't draw again and again. Okay. But as of now, to make you understand only, I'm drawing the figure 1 and 2 again and again, so that we can compare the two graphs parallelly and write the answer. Okay. While writing for the exam, you can quote the figure number from figure 1, figure 2. You will obtain this answer like that. You can write. Because this is a lengthy problem, it will take time. So you should practice, and with minimum time, you have to get the final answer. So as of now, I'll be plotting x of k and h of minus k again. So this was x of k from figure number 1. Already I have got. And from figure 2, we have already got h of minus k. This is figure number 2. Now you just multiply and add and tell me the answer. So from where should you start? You should start from -3. The left extreme is -3 and the right extreme is 2. From figure 1, the right extreme is 2, and from figure 2, the left extreme is -3. So you need to start from -3 until 1. You are going to multiply and add. Simply by observing the graph, we will know what are the common time the signal exists. The common time in which the two signals exist. What are the common times?
Sir, at 0 and 1.
Yes, 0 and 1 is the only two time instance where both the signals have some amplitudes. Whereas in the rest of the times, one or the other Signal is not having any amplitude, so it will be 0. Okay, so you are there to focus only these two time instants 0 and 1. So your answer will be at 0, here it is 1, here it is 3. So 1 into 3 plus at 1, here it is 1, here is also 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So answer is 4. So this is y of 0. The previous answer, this is y of -1. At n equal to -1, you got an answer. No, that is y of -1. Okay. At n equal to 0, you have an answer, that is y of 0. Means the output at n equal to 0. Similarly, all of you proceed with n equal to 1, 2, 3 till 5. So now I will go for n equal to 1. So y of 1 is equal to sigma k equal to minus infinity to infinity x of k into h of n minus k. This was the equation to find the output. So you need to substitute n equal to 1. So after substituting n equal to 1, it will be x of k into h of 1 minus k. That is sigma k equal to minus infinity to infinity x of k into h of minus k plus 1. 1 minus k can be written as minus k plus 1. Sagar, tell me how you will find h of minus k plus 1. 101. Sagar, tell me how will you find h of minus k plus 1? Sagar, unmute and speak.
Sir, shifting to the right side.
Yes, shifting h of minus k to right side. Shifting h of minus k to right side by 1 unit. Already we have h of minus k with us. So we have to shift towards right side. So kindly observe the previous graph and shift. So it will be starting from negative 2. And ending at 2. Please check if this is correct or not. H of minus k plus 1, whatever I have drawn here, that is observing the previous graph and shifting towards right side by 1 unit. So when you shift this particular graph towards right side, it will come from -2 to 2. I hope this is correct.